back, and if you're new here, my name is Jasmine, and this is the very exciting introduction to the project polish that I'm going to be doing here on my channel for 2021. I'm to be completely honest, I wasn't planning on doing this project, and then I saw Christina Chang's intro to this project, and I started going through my nail polishes, and I was like, Jasmine, this is a good project that you should be doing because you have so many nail polishes. So I thought this would be a really fun project to do this year. I also thought it would fit in nicely with the other projects that I'm doing since I don't have any nail polishes in the current project rotation that I'm going through. So I have created a little page in my painting notebook for this project, and the rules are I want to keep 4 polishes in at a time. When I use one up, or if I get really sick of it, I am allowed to roll it out and roll in something new in its place. And my goal is to finish up at least 10 polishes, but I'm not going to stop it once I hit 10. I'm going to keep going. I want to see how many I can use up, but I think 10's a reasonable goal. Also, I'm going to tally each mani-pedi manicure and pedicure that I do. So like if I paint my toes and my fingers the same color, that counts as 2. That counts as 2 just so I can see like how often I'm using them. And then I also have just a lot of like random top coats, base coats, things like that. So I'm like an unofficial goal is to get through a lot of those because I feel bad like having like 6 top coats just sitting around like going bad. So that is going to be the focus of this project, and if you are interested in seeing which polishes I decided to start out with, please just keep watching. So first, along the lines of the top coats that I was just talking about, this is an SE top coat, and it's the No Chips Ahead top coat. This has expired. I think the formula has changed a little bit. I noticed that when I use it, it takes just a very unreasonably long time for my nails to dry. Now, a way that I have worked around this is I paint my nails, I let the nail polish dry for a very long time. Like I am talking like hours and hours. I want the nail to be completely dry, and then I'll go over it with this. If I go in too quickly with this, then I almost feel like the nail polish underneath it doesn't dry, and then when I like go to sleep, even if it's 8 hours later, they get all weird and crinkly and smudged. This also bubbles a lot for reasons. Anyways, I've used up a good deal of it. I have marked all of them this month with this fuchsia nail polish. I think I don't know why I'm so entertained with marking nail polishes with nail polish, but that's the color of introduction, and I don't have much left of this. I think if I continue to use this every time I paint my nails, I can get this used up in like a month. I'm really hoping because I'm kind of sick of this, but I'm sick of not being able to paint my nails all at once is what I'm really sick of. I have another SE nail polish, and I think they're fast drying top coat, and that one works great. This one I think expired, unfortunately, so I'm hoping to get this used up, and then once it's used up I can move it on out of my collection. Another SE polish, actually all of these are SE polishes. That's because I feel like SE polishes are very hit or miss. I either really love them or I don't really love them, so that's why I have a lot of them, but there are some of them that like I kind of want to get out. This is one of them. I used to really love this color. It has expired. I have the same issue with this that I do with the top coat, and I found that the best way to do it is to just do one thin coat of this, no top coat, just like let it live its life, let it breathe, and then yes, it's not like the most perfectly done manicure, but it does still give like a nice pretty kind of wash of color. It's very quick, and so that's how I'm going to be using this up. I also have very little of this left, and so I am hoping that this will go quickly. This is a good fingernail color in my opinion, so I'm thinking of if I paint my nails a couple times with this month, I think I might be able to get it used up. Next is the color that I'm actually wearing on. Did I say what color this was? This is the shade Mademoiselle. And then next is the color that I'm actually wearing on my fingernails, and it is the shade Empower Mint, like a pun, and it is sitting right here. This, I love the color. I don't love the formula. It's getting a little thick. I might try to thin it out with some nail polish remover. I I've never done that before. I might have to YouTube that situation to see how much I should add, but I might try to thin it out a little bit. And it's a good polish. I do really, really love the color. Like, this was such an impulse buy, but I saw it and I was like, oh, that's so beautiful. And so this is a very beautiful color, as you can see. I mean, it's bright, it's springy, and it just makes me happy. So I think this will take me a couple months to use, but I'm not mad about it because I do really love the color. And then last is a nail polish that I really, really love. And I kind of want to use it up because I want to use it up before the like formula changes. I don't want what happens to like these two to happen to this color because I really love it. This is actually like a little like mini sample that I got in some sort of Ulta thing. I don't know if you can tell, but it is like a lot smaller than like the regular Essie polishes. And this is in the shade Velvet Voyage. I have used it up about halfway and I love this color. It makes me feel so like edgy, which I'm not a very edgy person, so like I paint my nails black like once and I'm like, look at me, I'm a rebel. It's the dumbest thing, but it works, and I do really, really love this shade. It's like a beautiful like blackened plum, and I thought this would be a good shade to throw in here because I really, really love it. And my other two are very like pale and springy, so when I painted my nails with these two like 4 times and I really just need a break from like the pastels, then I can reach for this, and I thought that that would be a good fit for my little rotation that I have going on here. I am going to be doing these updates in the middle of the month, and this manicure does not count for my tallies for the upcoming month. I did this last night. I am going to tally how many times I paint my fingers and my toes with these polishes, and hopefully we can see some good progress. I already kind of know what I want to roll in next. I'm just very excited. This is my little nail setup. There are some other colors in here that I do kind of want to project pan in the upcoming couple of months, so hopefully these will go, I don't want to say quickly, but these will go in a timely manner so that I can roll in some new shades and get some excitement. I really do think I can hit my goal of 10 nail polishes this year. And that is really everything for this introduction. Again, huge thank you to Christina Chang. I will link her channel down below. And I mean, I've seen other people do this project. It's awesome. Like, I really like this project. Just something about her introduction like inspired me to do this project. I don't know. I thought it was really fun, and I think just her like, yes, I need to get through these polishes. Like, that energy came through the screen to me, inspired me, and so I am just really excited to be starting this project and having another project pan on my channel. When this goes up, okay, like Roulette Pan collab is about to end, but when this goes up, I'll have Lippies, Year Long, Pan That Palette, and this. I'll have 4 project pans. So if you like project panning updates, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all of that jazz, because there's constantly project panning update coming up on this channel. I also do a lot of get ready with me's, and then a bunch of other kind of fun, more quarterly videos like capsule collections and empties and things like that. I hope everyone is having a wonderful, wonderful day wherever you are, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Thanks, guys!